Hey, what's going on? So here we are at Bodie, California, and an interesting turn of events. We're going up the road and we noticed the TPMS sensor comes on the van. It went from 47 pounds of pressure to 20, like that. So I had to drive probably quadruple the speed limit.
Hey, Ranger's here.
Ranger's here. To get over here before the tire hit zero. Man, so it started at like 10 in the morning. We got on the road to Bodie, which was a sketchy road, and it was just bad. My sister-in-law was in the back. She was scared and upset. She's been in an accident in the past, and so she freaks out easy, which is understandable. And so because she was freaking out, my daughter was freaking out, which caused me to freak out. We end up puncturing the rear tire. Get to Bodie. Nobody has a star wrench because the rental car didn't come with a spare, it didn't come with a jack, it didn't come with a star wrench. It came with a compressor. We could put air in it, but that's about it. And we could only fill it up to about 20 PSI before it just went down to zero again. That's what we're working with. We had to run around, try to get a star wrench because the rental company didn't give us a spare, didn't give us a donut, didn't give us anything except for a little mini air compressor. So we have to run about 40 minutes away, see if we can get the tire fixed, and then bring it back and put it back on. So we had to borrow a star wrench from the Ranger who helped us out. So Larry of Bodie, you rock. Thank you. We ended up driving to Bridgeport. I went with my father-in-law. We went to Bridgeport. There were no tire places there. We went to Lee Vining. We got the tire patched with a really sketchy patch. So we finally found a star wrench, took the tire off. Now we are in Lee Vining, which is 20 something miles away from Bodie, while everybody else is still up in Bodie, trying to get this tire fixed. And we got to drive back to Bodie, put the tire on, and then we can start vacation. Then I can take my first photo. Then I can do whatever. So until then, we're just kind of sitting here. So fun times. The shit I do. All right, update time. So we got the tire. Well, we got it fixed. They put a patch on it. It's not the greatest patch, but we left Bodie, got down that hill, made it to Lee Vining. We're now 12 miles from Mammoth. We've been doing 45 and 50 the entire way because I don't trust that tire patch, because when they fixed it, kind of bowed. That might be because he added too much air, I don't know, but I don't trust it. So we're gonna drive into Mammoth and buy another tire. Hopefully Enterprise will pay for it. So yeah, that's the update. Vacation still officially has not started yet, although it looks amazing out here. So yeah, looks cool. Having a good time. Stopped at a rest stop. There you go. Ooh, what's this? Is this a payphone I see? It is a payphone. The one thing I gotta ask myself is, like, so last year when we went to Oregon, it was stressful as hell. That's why we turned around and came home. Why does it have to be stressful every time? But I'm not going home this time. So there it is. I will say we made it longer than we made it last year. Last year, man, why is it last year? If you go back and watch that video, that first day was stressful. It was just insane. And then this time, got to Mammoth, checked 3 different tire places, none of them had the tire. Final one said that they were closed, but we decided just to go by there anyway. Guy was there, he's like, yeah, I'm here till 5, I'll take care of you. So we got the tire. He had the tire. He was the only place that had it. So that part's done. Got back to the condo, chilled out, jumped in the hot tub, just kind of relaxed for the rest of the night. I didn't really feel like vlogging last night because it was too stressful of a day. So, but today's a new day. we're about to head out. So I will see you all Twin Lakes.